Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you a knife from another known Chinese knife company called Start. And in my opinion they are putting out some really nice budget oriented blades that have, let's say, borrowed similar designs to some known companies. Let me put it this way, okay? And we were talking about the Start JIN02 in this kind of toxic green G10. So as you can see, it comes just a plain cardboard box with a heavy-duty plastic bag, and that's it. Okay, so I really find this design is really nice and beautiful. And why it is so, probably maybe you know, it is because it's borrowed from a well-known Russian company known Shirogoro knives. So this is my model 95 flipper. As you can see, there are similarities. I will be not surprised if Shirogoro does make something similar to this one, but I really want to put it out so that everybody knows from the start which is my point of view of this. I could be wrong, so let us talk about this knife. So the JIN02 comes in various colors configurations. So you have your black, brown, green and sweet orange. Also, as you can see, it is using a axis lock. You know, this comes from Benchmade. And yes, in the past also Shirogoro did use axis lock, but if I'm not mistaken, that was under the licensing. So I'm not sure if they have the rights to use it, or maybe the patent run did expire and now everybody can use axis lock. I don't know. So keep that in mind. So firstly, we need to talk about the action. Given that this is an axis lock, the stop pin and also the lock pin will ride on the back of the blade, so you will constantly feel a little bit of pressure, and then it snaps and shuts close the blade or locks the blade. The inside of the knife is really nice because it's milled out for added weight reduction, which you really don't see on that many knives. Maybe Gunzo does not do this. Also, yes, I have not disassembled the knife, but I did look on the production site where I bought it, and there were pictures about the caged KVT style bearing system, and that is also really nice to see that you have your nice plastic washers with the ball bearings inside. So it is smooth. Sorry, I cannot open it correctly because of the gloves. Yes, but overall you have really nice fit and finish. So for $20 plus minus, this is a decent buy. Let's check out the specifications. So the overall length of the knife is 20 centimeters. or 7.87 inches. The blade is 8.2 centimeters or 3.2 inches. The blade width is 2.6 centimeters or 1 inch. And we have a weight of 130 grams or 4.58 ounces. As I have mentioned, we have the axis lock and also the KVT ball bearing washer inside. Let's talk about the pocket clip. So if you can see, this is just a standard bent metal pocket clip. This is nicely polished, and they used a little bit raised part with those two standoffs here, so that you will have a place where your fabric can go. This is really good. Also, it is really stiff, but I don't know if there is a problem. Depends on the fabric and the sturdiness of your pocket. Obviously, if you want, you can slightly bend it out of your position and use it that way, but if you are considering that as a minus, I am completely behind you. This should not be so stiff, but then of course, if you don't want to lose your knife, it is better to have it stiff, and then a little bit of customization from your part. You can tweak it to suit your needs. Okay, we have, let's say, four standoffs, one lock pin or blade stop, and one axis pin. So there are quite few supports inside these scales. I don't know why they're using so many of them, but okay, if they want, they can use it. You have a stylized Shirogoro style pivot pin. There you can see it. The blade steel on this one is D2. There you can see it. The blade is nicely satin polished. I would love to see it in a stone wash, then probably it would be a better workhorse, because scratches will be really visible on this one. But hey, we are talking about a price point of 20 bucks, maybe even cheaper if you are use some flash sale. Okay, so overall, a nicely designed or borrowed design, probably, my opinion, from Shirogoro. I don't know. So if you don't want to spend $800 to $900 on a production Shirogoro, you can check out this one, and I will say you will be happy with it. For all those standard EDC tasks, it will be more than sufficient. Also, as you can see here, they give you a finger choil. I leave that to you if you want to use it or not. I would probably not recommend, because the blade starts right here, so you can slip up and cut your finger badly. So just use this intended use, this one. This fingernail choil here is better suited for the task. Okay, so this was the YStart JIN02 or JIN02 in toxic green G10. If you have any questions, leave comments down below, and as always, have a nice day.